Alright guys, we're going up. We got the Bonneville shoreline trail, which we're going up to. And at the end of it, there is a waterfall. I hope it looks good, and I hope it's definitely worth it. And if you guys are out here, go check it out in the Ogden area. It's just, look up Bonneville shoreline trail, and there's a super pretty waterfall, I guess. Just super exciting. So go check it out. Got a little bit of history about the trail we're about to go up, and Lake Bonneville looks like. Pretty cool. This is how Utah used to be. Straight up just covered in lake water. It's pretty cool, right? Yes, no? Okay then. Hey guys, so we are just barely starting the hike. I think it's been like, I don't know, 5 minutes. Yep, so this is the Ogden, North Ogden area. There's Ogden High School is somewhere down there, but if you guys are ever up here, this would be a super fun hike. I think it's like 2 miles, I'm not sure, but it was a really fun hike. Bring a water bottle because it's hot, and for the most part, it's kind of shady up there, as more if we go up, I'm gonna guess, because it's really, really thick. But yep, super fun, really great views. Just see the whole valley, and I'll get back to you guys later on the hike. Hey guys, what's up? Just checking in. We're about halfway up to the waterfall. Super excited. Go check these two out on Talbot Sports. I'll put him in the link in the description. He does some pretty cool things. He does some trick shots just like I do, and I'll be in one of his videos coming up. I don't know when, but yeah. It's a really fun channel over there, so go check it out. And also go check out TNJ-Productions. It's kind of where I started YouTube. It's a super fun channel over there too. We do a lot about snakes, Beyblades in the early days. Now it's just more vlogs and stuff. But yeah, I'll be over on that channel too. So yeah, catch y'all on the flip side. Alright guys, we're currently in North Ogden, and we are at a waterfall. It's pretty cool. A lizard friend with us. Look at this boy. Dude, look how cool the tail looks. What? Wildlife on the trail. What the heck? There was a bigger one up there, but I don't know what happened to it. I wonder if we can find it. I don't want to bug them, but... No, I think he's gone. Anyways. Yep, one of the many wildlife that are up here. Where's everybody go? What the heck? Disappeared. Oh well. Ourselves a little butterfly. I don't know what he's doing. At least he's not flying away. Hey man, how's it going? Wait, no. Oh, man, he's actually pretty chill. What the heck? I guess he's not camera shy. Well, goodbye, buddy. Have fun on your adventures. did nothing. Nope. I'm not gonna smack it. That'd be so bad. Yes, just the natural wildlife of this area. Super beautiful. Oh goodness. Alright. Yep. We're almost back. We are now headed on our way down. We saw a couple things on the way. Saw a lizard. Saw like this little moth. There's a billion dragonflies everywhere, but I don't know if you can even see them. Guys, so we just got back from the hike. The waterfall's super pretty, and it's actually way easier on the way down. But yep, super fun trail. If you're ever in the North Ogden area, go check it out. Just the Bonneville Shoreline Trail. Super fun, and we'll catch you all on the flip side.